What's up, guys? Welcome to Bath and Shower Tile Ideas episode 16. Let's take a quick look at before and after photos, and then we'll talk about the material and tile we installed for this bath and shower remodel. Here we go.
That means you're extra extraordinary.
All right, we'll first start with the floor. We installed a 12 by 24 inch porcelain matte white. Installed this at a straight pattern. As you can see, the floor flows and wraps up and over the shower curb. We used a tile leveling system, LevTech, for this entire install, as you see here. We'll move on to the tub surround. This is the original tub. It was in fantastic shape, so we kept the tub. Obviously installed a new valve and trim kit. Show you some of the detail work here. We did not use any trim, edging, quarter round, or bullnose for this porcelain. We mitered every outside corner on this tub deck, and we mitered everything in the shower, which we'll show you in just a moment. So we've got mitered edge here, mitered edge along the pony wall as well. Turned out great. Tiled the entire back wall of this room. Now the field wall tile is a 12 by 24 inch porcelain as well. 1/16 inch grout lines, and we installed it at a 50% offset. Let's take a look at the shower. Turned out absolutely gorgeous. Here's the beautiful glass door and surround, custom, frameless. Chrome is the finish. Chrome hinges, chrome handle, and then again you've got your chrome hinges on this side as well for a completely frameless look. Let's show you the shower. As you can see, 12 by 24 in here as well. 50% offset pattern. We've got a new valve and trim kit, chrome as well. And the model for this is Style Therm from California Faucets. You set the temperature to where you want it. You can press this button, it'll lock it in place, so you don't ever have to move the temperature. You just turn it on and off, and it'll keep that valve at the same temperature every time you take a shower. Again, we use LevTech on this entire shower as well as the floor, as you see here. Also, the prep for this shower is by Schluter. We installed a Schluter Kerdi shower kit 100% seal system, as you see here also. Now let's take a look at this pony wall. Again, clean, tight, mitered outside corners here. We didn't use trim, no edging, no profile, no bullnose, no quarter round. We believe this looks much cleaner, much more seamless. It takes a little extra work to miter everything, but as you can see, it turns out very clean and seamless. We've got the 12 inch by 12 inch niche, 2 inch by 2 inch porcelain pan tile, Schluter drain. And you can check out this curb here. Again, this curb is the floor tile. We wrapped it up and over, mitered the curb as well. And there you have it. Bath and shower Tile Ideas, episode 16. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We personally installed everything in this bath and shower build, so if you have any questions at all, leave them in the link description below. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next one.
Your love is rated X. That means you're extra, extra.